here I have a Fluke voltage meter. Well, they call it a volt ohm meter. Digital volt ohm meter. DVOM for short. But basically what I can do is I can check alternating voltage, I can check direct voltage, I can do millivoltage, and I can test resistance. I can test a diode, I can test milliamps as far as current goes, and I can test microamps as far as current goes. What we're going to do right now is just measure direct voltage. Okay, voltage is potential, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my positive lead, and I'm going to plug it in right here. Okay, I'm going to take my negative lead, I'm going to plug it in right here, and you can see that this board here is outputting 12.53 volts. Now I'm going to turn my series circuit back on, and I'm going to do a simple test called a voltage drop test. So I'm going to put my lead right here, and you can see that it's reading 0.001 volts. Now what this is doing is it's measuring the distance, or the difference between this point here and this point here. So we are dropping 0.001 volts, which is not that much, okay? So now I'm going to place this on the other side of my first load. Now, using a voltage drop test, I can see how much voltage is being dropped across the light bulb. So right now, 6.29 volts is being dropped across that first bulb. So the bulb is sometimes called a load. Okay, so now I'm going to move this here. We're still dropping roughly 6.3 volts. Okay. .3 volts. Now I'm going to probe the other side of the bulb, and now we can see that we are dropping 12.49 volts at this point in the circuit. Okay, still 12.49, still 12.49. So this circuit is consuming our total voltage. Now this is a neat test. Voltage drop is a neat test because we can also figure out how much resistance is in the circuit, or how much resistance each of these light bulbs consumes.